Yo, what's up you guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to take a look at a gentleman called Nasdaq billionaire, who's firstly not a billionaire and secondly his name's not Nasdaq, right? But without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Right now, before I get started, I do want to let you guys know I haven't plotted any of these trades on TradingView because there's just way too many signals that are being sent at a given time. So I'm going to speak you through it and you can decide whether or not it is for you, because everything that I will be discussing is all based on my own personal opinion. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it. So we're gonna start off with the Instagram over here. This is a Forex Nasdaq billionaire, right? So according to the Instagram, he's the king of entries, which is something that we are going to establish right now. Let me just close that. Godfather of entries. Like I don't understand. Like how can now which one are you? Are you like the king or the god or
who are you?
A few moments later.
Best trader in the world. Look, I think, you know, I mean, Lesiva also said that once, and we all know what happened there, right? No investments, free signals, and then on the Instagram, you basically just get, you know, everything that you think. And indeed, a lot, just a little, just enough, just to live this lifestyle. I then sold a lot of signals just to live this lifestyle. So that's basically what you see on this Instagram, right? So we're gonna get straight into it. Now, before we continue, I want to show you guys something. If you've watched the previous video, you would have seen this method that I showed you guys, and how simple price action works, right? And if you followed if you followed the price action here, you could have potentially made 3, 6, 9, 12, and then you would have lost 2%, which would have given you a 10% gain quickly. We broke support there, tested it as resistance. You would have sold it back to previous support. At previous support, so you'd have made a 3% there you would have bought. Your stop loss would have hit for 1%, right? Then the market printed a new support, went up, then tested that previous level of resistance over there, you know, because that's structure, or you can even take that level. You'd have sold there and eventually made a 3%, right? Once that 3% hit, you would have bought again, because now we're trading at support, and you would have hit that that TP would have hit there as well. Yeah, there we go. And then once you got here, you would have then placed another sell, and your TP would have been at this previous low, because we're basically trading to structure, right? Now you would have traded a 1, 2, 3. Boom, there we go. Okay, stop loss there, you would have placed a sell in there, then you would have made another 3%, and then you would have came in here, you would have bought, and then you would have hit a stop loss. But that's basically just following simple price action concepts that you don't need to pay for, right? Now let's get into these signals. Now I'm going to talk you guys through these signals because they happen so quick that it is impossible to put on a chart. Now before we continue, I do want to let you guys know that everything that I'm about to discuss with you is based on my own personal opinion. It's about how I view trading, and at the end of the day, this is not guidance. I'm not giving you advice. I'm not making any recommendations for you to say and sign up to these signals, because I don't get paid whether you sign up or whether you don't. If you want to do it, it's up to your discretion. Depending on the type of trader that you are, will establish whether or not this would interest you as in being a trader or not, right? So let's get straight to it, right? We've got an anniversary promotion there. So here we go, buy US 30, and then you can see there, right, there's an arrow. I think the arrow is there to guide US 30. I need you to follow this arrow, my friend. You're going this way. Okay, Rocket X, buy US 30, and then I don't know, there was a spike to the downside. Then he says, you see guys, it's the market. You can't blame the market that is bad.
Stop it.
You see, that's what people don't understand, is that which is why you should not be selling signals. This is a good example, because most of the time when trades go into profit, then people want to take credit for it. But if it goes into a loss, then they want to say, yeah guys, the market. You are supposed to know that's why we pay you. You're supposed to know, you're the expert. You should be able to gauge whether the market is worth trading. If there's, you know, if the trading conditions are good or not. You can't sit down a signal and say,
You guys, the market's bad.
Any case, there we got a sell stop, right? And then without any indication, there was another buy. You can see there 1627, probably like a couple of seconds later, there's a buy. Then he says lock. 2 minutes later, lock. And then close profits. 2 minutes later, just a boom, 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 boom. And then you get blue screens. The blues, 160k in the profit.
Yeah, boy.
Now, I don't make 160k, you know, and I do think 160k is a lot of money, but I know what I'd be doing if I was making 160k. I would not be jumping while I talk and tell people I will be in the Cape Town. Any case, the blue screens pop up. There we go, March the 5th, 1628, buy, stop loss, and there 2 minutes later, lock, hold, engage. You know, I mean, come on, bro. What am I supposed to lock, eh? The swaps. Lock the swaps, guys. I'm just joking. No, I'm not joking. Any case, he says lock, then he says lock profits got hit. Don't expect you to lose any money. Showing a 1 minute chart with 2 1 minute candles. We've made it, guys.
Together we made it. We made it even though we had our backs against the wall. Nice.
Buy stop 1635, 1648. Buy. Didn't work out. Buy again. 1658. Lock. 1658. 2 minutes later, we locked. The stop loss is probably still running, but there, you know, the first buy was there. In the loss, we buy the 1 minute candle. Boom, and we lock. And this is why I say, I think someone said it before. Don't review people's signals where you know you're gonna waste your time. So I wouldn't say I'm wasting my time. I would say that this is ideal for people who would like to join and see if they're willing to put their money into a group like this where the trades is meant to last 1 minute. The blue screen 190k, and look there, that's like 100 pips on the Nasdaq. If you are going to write a paragraph of 100 pips, if you're going to show off 100 pips on the stock, on an indice, and you show it off like this, 100 pips, then you have to show us a withdrawal as well, or send us a what do they call that, an admin account, not an admin account, broker login. Best Nasdaq trades in the world, Forex, Nasdaq, billionaire. I don't, you see, that is why I say, right, it's all about preference. Do I agree that these signals are good? No, I do not agree with it, because if you're trading as a consumer, remember, we don't have this type of money, but we do have a demo that we can open and look as if it seems we got that money, right? But from a consumer's perspective, how much money do you make if you're holding an indice trade for 2 minutes? You understand what I'm saying, right? So if you are a scalper, then you might have luck with trading this way. I've always said it. I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is probably hyper-scalping, like Sufi once said, who used to roll with, what's that other, the other guy's name, I don't even know, but in any case, life goes on. Here we go. Buy USDT, and I don't know what was that supposed to be. Lock. Buy, lock. Like, boom, boom, boom. My network is bad. My MT5 platform is not loading. Buy USDT now. Although we've come into the blue screens. And there was some more blue screens. Blue screens. Entry point to SL. We are in entry to SL. The blue screens. Now you see there's 1,155 people. And then you get like 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 reactions. You see, that is why I say, I tell people, right? You know, you have a preference in the way that you trade. Your preference might be that you agree with a scalper, you agree with hyper-scalping. But before you say anything directed at maybe whatever, how about you join the signal group? In fact, DM me, I will send you the signals. You deposit 1,000 Rand, I'll send you the signals as I receive them, and we see how much money you make from it, because it's very easy to talk from the sideline, right? You've had no experience. You would have said, yo, it made a lot of money. They're 256k, and these people believe it, right? Because these guys like, fire, you know, my head's breaking, boom, 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 fire, closing when profits you're holding it's 0.01. No, and you know, he's promoting RocketX, which I believe is the #1 broker in South Africa. But depending on from where on the table you're looking at it from, right there. So here you can see, right? So here we go. So he is there. So you can see there, Caleb Piri, RocketX, XS server live account, right? I've always said that if you are promoting a broker, right? If you're promoting the broker, and we've had experience with similar people who trade accounts like this, right, where you can never see the top part of the trading account. Same principles apply here. If you're promoting the broker and you're using them, then it does become a little bit suspect to me that whether it's a real account or not. Buy, stop, lock 1528, lock the profits at 2 minutes later. Yeah, we only on the March date, right? Let's move. Buy US30, SL, SLE 2 minutes later, right? They all go the same. Then there's blue screens. Buy again, same SL. Buy 2 minutes later, stop loss here. 1 minute later, you must be ready again, right, to get your next signal. It's like shaving Chopin bread. 0.01 paid 1,600. Well, if the 0.01 paid 1,600, that means 0.01 also lost 1,600 before, right? But who am I? Broker will close profits now. Then there was some buy US30. This is only for big accounts. You really think people with big accounts would be paying you for signals? Maybe, I don't know. It's fighting. Yes, it's fighting. There, he's like saying, got an inverted head and shoulders pattern there, guys. It is gonna go up. There we go. 100k in the bank. Lock profits. 0.01 is paying. If you have 0.01, you probably don't have a big account. You said don't trade it. Then there's a lot of chart work coming through, and then two people who send right. Remember, there's 1,155 people. CPI in 7 minutes. Okay, the buy stop. I don't know why he's closing the prices there. Probably, I don't know. He's probably explaining something there. Close profits or keep holding. Close profits even if you're holding. Results, buy US30 1522, close profits. There we go again. 8 minutes later, right? So that's how it goes. Buy 1528, 1530, lock 1535, lock close it, right? This guy, which is why I wasn't gonna waste my time to plot these signals, right? Buy, stop again, buy again, SL, buy, stop again, US30, lock, buy, stop 55, 5 minutes later, lock. Are you still in the trade? Any case, then the blue screens are coming. March the 14th, buy, fire. If I forgot there was news, I would assume that didn't go too well. Sell US30, lock 1532, close profits or lock. Again, it's a very quick game, and this is why I'm going to just, although I've paid for it, I'm going to exit this channel, and I'm going to show you guys just how uninterested I am with this type of work, right? So sell, stop if you are out, exit, sell, lock 1545. Okay, that was the longest. 125k insert profit. Do you want to join the day and night trading, but you need to an experienced trader? Please, no, I do not want to join the day night trading. Risk disclosure statement for Nasdaq billionaire. I didn't need a lot, just little, just to live this VIP, just lifestyle. Okay, then there's more blue screens. Blue screens to the moon. They buy 1529, lock, engage, buy again, lock now, 4 minutes, close 5 minutes later. And this is how it goes. It's just very quick. So if you got a job, then maybe this is not something that would interest you, because you need to be looking at this group all day. Not all day, sorry, but sell. If we are losing 20 pips, lock now, buy, sell to buy, and buy to sell. I'm not feeling it, or hold me with me at your own risk. I'm out, guys. Results. You see, yeah, there's got a massive, but it always just happens. I wish we had traded Nasdaq. It always happens on the charts, right? It's like back testing. Reminds me of Nesiba Montupi. Close it there. Where was the sell? I would want you to sell. I'm about to drop a killer. I will tell you when to sell. Sell USDT now if you will lose 200. Which, okay, I'm not gonna speak about that. In any case, sell stop, USDT sell stop. Hope anyone got hit or triggered. Let us meet tomorrow. Just sold. It was going to show us buy, stop, lock. You're up in profits. SL if you are in profits. Close. Okay. Sell German 30 lock. That looks. What's this? 1 minute? Yeah. It always looks like it's breaking the bank. There we can finally get a full. He's got 1.2 million, and I bet you is a demo. You can fight me in the comment section. This guy's got 1.2 million in his bank account. He sells signals. I don't even have 10% of that, but I don't sell signals. But I've got a lot of costs associated to the work that I do. I didn't need a lot, just to sell USDT, SL 0.01 was in a loss. It's always like we go to the bare minimum if it's a loss, but if it's the win, then we go into this, right? Then we go into this massive blue screens, and it's always the same, guys. Rex. It's always just Rex who's sending, like I am Rex who's sending you a thing. In any case, buy USDT 1520 SL 1523 lock, close profits all there. That's probably Rex as well. It's just Rex. I think him and Rex is just, it's just me and Rex is talking. Yesterday market conditions were unfavorable. Buy USDT, buy Nasdaq, SL lock, close. The close profits even if you're holding. Then there was 131k, and there we go. Buy Nasdaq, buy USDT. Hope you lock. If you are out, buy again. Hit me, I'm out. Sell to buy to sell, and that's how it goes, right? So that is basically how it goes. And let me just do that right here for you guys. Okay, I've exited the group, so that was just a waste of my money, and but I do think it's good because now you guys can actually see what goes on in these VIP groups, right? So if that is the type of signals that you might enjoy, then by all means you can go and check them out on Instagram. And from Instagram you can go to his. But for me, it's not my way of trading. If it's your way of trading, I'm happy for you. But not for me. Sorry, I got bills to pay. I can't be 0.01 hard engage close. My debit order doesn't go like that. Hard engage. No, it just goes one time blank. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time, and as always, cheers for ears.